Hi guys, this is the HardReset.Info YouTube channel and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So launch first Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, tap the voice section and click the voice mode. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher, tap to more, I agree, next. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. Assistant to recognize your voice. Okay, stop, not now. Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model, so tap here to retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Tap to next. And now when you'll say okay Google or hey Google, we could see that this option successfully activated, but now we should download and update the latest version. So tap here to start the download. Be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the mobile data or the Wi-Fi, sure. And wait just a couple of seconds or minutes. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.